The electric vehicle market is witnessing a seismic shift. A new player has emerged, challenging the dominance of established giants. BYD, the Chinese automaker, has taken the industry by storm. In a stunning turn of events, BYD outsold Tesla in 2024. This achievement marks a turning point in the EV revolution. BYD's success is not a fluke. It is the result of strategic foresight, technological innovation, and a commitment to affordability. The company's focus on key areas like battery technology, vertical integration, and a diverse product lineup has propelled its meteoric rise. BYD's game-changing innovations are reshaping the automotive landscape. They are accelerating the global transition to sustainable transportation. As the EV race intensifies, BYD has emerged as a formidable force, setting the stage for an electrifying future. BYD's journey began in 1995 as a battery manufacturer. This early focus on battery technology proved to be a strategic masterstroke. It laid the foundation for the company's future dominance in the EV market. BYD's relentless pursuit of innovation has allowed it to leapfrog competitors. The company is not just building cars, it is building the future of mobility. At the heart of BYD's success lies a revolutionary technology, the Blade battery. This groundbreaking battery system is transforming the EV industry. The Blade battery utilizes lithium iron phosphate chemistry, offering significant advantages over traditional lithium-ion batteries. One of the most compelling features of the Blade battery is its enhanced safety. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, which pose a fire risk in the event of damage, the Blade battery remains remarkably stable. Even when subjected to extreme conditions like nail penetration tests, the Blade battery exhibits exceptional thermal stability. This remarkable safety feature addresses one of the biggest concerns surrounding EV adoption. Beyond safety, the Blade battery excels in terms of cost-effectiveness. LFP materials are more readily available and less expensive than the nickel and cobalt used in traditional EV batteries. This translates to a significant reduction in production costs, making EVs more accessible to a wider range of consumers. The Blade battery's affordability is a game-changer, driving down the price of EVs and accelerating mass adoption. Furthermore, the Blade battery boasts an impressive lifespan. It can withstand up to 5,000 charge cycles, significantly more than conventional lithium-ion batteries. This longevity ensures that BYD's EVs have a longer service life, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements. BYD's strategic brilliance extends beyond its technological prowess. The company has adopted a vertically integrated business model, giving it unparalleled control over its supply chain. Unlike Tesla, which relies on external suppliers for key components, BYD manufactures its own batteries, motors, and other critical EV parts. This vertical integration strategy offers BYD several distinct advantages. Firstly, it reduces reliance on external suppliers, mitigating supply chain disruptions and ensuring a steady flow of components. This is particularly crucial in the current global landscape, where supply chain vulnerabilities have been exposed. Secondly, vertical integration allows BYD to maintain strict quality control over its products. By overseeing every stage of production, from raw materials to finished vehicles, BYD ensures that its EVs meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. This meticulous attention to detail has earned BYD a reputation for producing durable and dependable vehicles. Finally, BYD's vertical integration strategy translates to cost savings. By manufacturing its own components, BYD eliminates the markups associated with external suppliers, further enhancing its competitiveness in the market. This cost advantage allows BYD to offer its EVs at more attractive prices, making electric mobility accessible to a broader customer base. BYD understands that a robust charging infrastructure is essential for the mass adoption of EVs. To that end, the company is aggressively expanding its charging network, both in China and globally. BYD's charging strategy focuses on both speed and accessibility, addressing two key concerns for EEV owners. One of BYD's most ambitious initiatives is the rollout of its Super E platform. This revolutionary charging technology offers ultra-fast charging capabilities, delivering an astonishing 1,000 kilowatts of power. To put that into perspective, BYD's Super E platform can add 250 miles of range to an EV in just 5 minutes. This lightning-fast charging speed surpasses even Tesla's superchargers, which require 15 minutes to deliver a 200-mile charge. BYD plans to deploy 4,000 of these Super E platform chargers across China, creating a vast and efficient charging network that alleviates range anxiety and makes long-distance EV travel a breeze. In addition to its ultra-fast charging network, BYD is also focusing on expanding the accessibility of its charging infrastructure. The company is partnering with various businesses, including shopping malls, restaurants, and hotels, to install charging stations at convenient locations. Hybrid vehicles, have often been seen as a crucial bridge in the transition from traditional combustion engines to fully electric vehicles. They offer the best of both worlds, combining the efficiency of electric power with the range and convenience of gasoline engines. This makes them, an ideal stepping stone for consumers who are hesitant to make a full switch to electric. Hybrid cars, in essence, help reduce emissions and fuel consumption without requiring major lifestyle changes or infrastructure upgrades. They provide a practical and accessible option for many drivers, supporting the gradual shift towards a more sustainable future. Moreover, by familiarizing drivers with electric driving, hybrids play a vital role in easing the learning curve associated with new technology. They pave the way for a smoother transition to fully electric vehicles, which in the long run can lead to widespread adoption and significant environmental benefits. In conclusion, hybrids are, quite simply, an important part of the journey towards a greener automotive landscape. As we move forward, it becomes clear that the horizon for electric vehicles is expanding rapidly. Innovations are not just confined to passenger cars, but are extending into buses, trucks, and even marine vessels. Companies like BYD are leading the charge, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with electric mobility. This expansion is not just about technology, but also about creating a sustainable future for all. In today's world, adapting to new realities is more important than ever. The shift to electric vehicles is not just a trend, but a necessary evolution in response to environmental challenges. BYD's commitment to this cause is evident in their continuous efforts to innovate and improve. By embracing this new reality, we are taking crucial steps towards a cleaner, greener planet. Of course, with any major shift, there are implications and challenges to consider. The transition to electric vehicles involves significant infrastructural changes, from charging stations to grid capacity. Moreover, there are economic and social factors at play. However, the potential benefits far outweigh these challenges. BYD is addressing these issues head-on, working tirelessly to ensure a smooth transition for all. One of the most exciting aspects of this revolution is the democratization of electric mobility. BYD is making electric vehicles accessible to a wider audience, breaking down barriers that once made them a luxury item. By doing so, they are paving the way for a future where clean, efficient transportation is available to everyone, regardless of their background or income level. This is not just about cars, it's about creating a better world for all of us.